Hello guys, welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. This is Anirudh here and let's get cracking. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to essentially I'm going to teach you a for loop. Well, what a for loop essentially is is a loop. It executes a certain number of statements for a continuous number of times depending on your choice. For example, let me just create it and show it to you. For I an integer I equal to 0, I less than 10, I equal to I plus 1. And after that, in the next line, now be careful here, I have not put a semicolon like here, like all in all the other programs that I've made. Okay, and after this I type cout I, and let's just end the line. Executing this should give you a proper idea. There you go. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I begins with the value of 0, then it gets to the value of 10, 9 at the maximum, and there you go. So how does i's value change? That happens in this last statement here, I equal to I plus 1. Most of you who are familiar with maths would say, hey, what's this is weird, but this is how programming works. I's value is changed to I plus 1, one value more than it. It's very ingenious, I have to say. Then you just output I and end the line. This, for example, in the first iteration or loop, what happens is i's value is 0, so it outputs I, then ends the line. Then it goes back to for, and then again i's value is incremented by 1. Before that, it is checked if I is less than 10. If I is less than 10, then I equal to I plus 1 and 1. Then again it goes back, I equal to I plus 1, it becomes 2. Then if I is less than 10, yes, cout I, again I equal to I plus 1. 3, if 3 is less than 10, yes, cout. Essentially you can find just how this happens. Now this can be used to create beautiful patterns as well. Let me show you. For int j equal to 0 comma j less than 10, j plus plus. This essentially says j equal to j plus 1. Just another way of writing I equal to I plus 1. I can even write I plus plus. And after that, I just write cout star. Wait, here. And just one space, and that should do it. Also, I must do this, I forgot, sorry about that. Yeah, messed it up. There we go. Cout, end the line there. I think that should do. Let's see what comes out. I don't know exactly what I've done here, but let's see what happens. Okay, there's an error. What's the error there? Cout was not declared in this scope. Let me type that again. Cout. There was a weird error. Let me run that again. There we go. 10 into 10 grid of stars. This looks quite good, but could have been made better. Okay, so now what have I done is change j less than 10 to j less than I. Now let's see what happens. There's nothing, no other change in the program. Now let's just see what happens. Isn't that beautiful there? There you go. Isn't that beautiful? A triangle. Beautiful star. Try it yourself. You'll love it. This is essentially logic. You can just change small things in these loops to generate beautiful patterns. So, oh, and I forgot to mention this. This is a nested loop. See, this parenthesis, these two little brackets, this highlighted in blue, this shows the outer for loop. Okay, this is the external for loop number 1. Okay, and as the first line to get executed here is this line, cout end the line. And after that another for loop. This is known as a nested loop, gets executed and it outputs a star, and then the external for loop ends, so does the internal for loop. Now this is an important thing. The range or the of operation of the for loop without these parentheses, the next line after it or the next semicolon, that's why I have not put any semicolons here. Okay, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.